In this video, we'll dive into the top Turkish series you absolutely need to watch, packed with action, romance, and comedy. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy these must-see shows with English subtitles. Number 1. Bash Belası, Troublemaker. Bash Belası is a Turkish TV series blending crime, comedy, and romance. It follows İpek Gümüşçü, a sophisticated young psychologist whose life is upended when her husband disappears after being involved in a financial scandal and murder. İpek, now a single mother, is determined to uncover the truth about her husband's death and becomes involved with the police. She starts working as a psychologist at the homicide unit led by Şahin Kara, a gruff and troubled police officer. Despite their contrasting personalities, İpek and Şahin are forced to work together to solve murder cases, with their professional relationship gradually evolving into something more complex. Alongside solving weekly cases, the show explores İpek's journey of self-reliance, navigating the loss of her perfect world while balancing her responsibilities as a mother. The dynamics between the police team, including Şahin's colleagues, add depth to the story, creating a blend of suspense, humor, and romance. Bash Belası is a beautiful romantic comedy Turkish series where the chemistry between İrem Helvacıoğlu and Seçkin Özdemir is undeniable, bringing depth to their characters' evolving relationship. The show's blend of suspense, humor, and heart, along with strong female characters, makes it a standout among summer dishes. Despite its challenges with ratings, it remains an engaging and highly entertaining series. Number 2. Muhteşem İkili. Muhteşem İkili is an action comedy series based on the American film Tango and Cash, following two police officers, Mert Barca and Mustafa Kerimcan, MKC, who are forced to work together despite their long-standing rivalry. Mustafa Kerimcan, played by Kerem Bürsin, is a seasoned officer from the European side of the city, while Mert Barca, portrayed by İbrahim Çelikkol, is a highly ambitious commissioner from the Anatolian side. The two have a history of personal and professional conflict dating back to their academy days. Their antagonism reaches new heights when a joint operation, the Mermaid Drug Raid, uncovers a new, dangerous criminal adversary. Although the two men have clashed for years and dislike each other intensely, they must set aside their differences to take down this powerful enemy. As they navigate high-stakes situations, their contrasting personalities create both comedic and tense moments. Throughout the series, their relationship evolves from hostility to reluctant teamwork, filled with action, humor, and suspense. Their journey highlights the challenges of working with someone you can't stand, while also revealing unexpected camaraderie between them. Number 3. Ferhat ile Şirin. This series follows Ferhat, Şirin, and Banu find themselves entangled in a dramatic tale of love and fate. Their lives are deeply affected by a legendary romance marked by both miracles and curses. The story is rooted in a tragic past where a destructive love filled with hatred, pain, and revenge shattered lives and families. As the characters' intertwined lives unfold, they experience the joy and sorrow of this intense love. Despite their deep connections and hopes, the legacy of past grievances and broken relationships ensures that true happiness remains elusive for all involved. This tale illustrates how love, when tainted by past sins, can lead to both profound joy and enduring tragedy. This series offers a compelling mix of romance, mystery, and adventure, driven by a strong performance from Tolga Sarıtaş and a richly imagined setting. However, its abrupt ending and unresolved plot elements leave a significant gap in the storytelling, making it difficult for viewers to fully appreciate the narrative and character arcs. For those who enjoy intricate dramas and are willing to overlook some of the unresolved aspects, the series may still be worth watching. The emotional and thematic depth, combined with strong acting and a visually captivating setting, provide a solid foundation for a potentially great work. However, viewers should be prepared for an incomplete experience and the possibility that the story may remain unfinished unless a continuation or new season is produced to address the lingering gaps. Overall, while the series has its flaws, it remains an intriguing and engaging watch, particularly for fans of romantic dramas with a touch of adventure and mystery. Number 4. Serif Soju. Serif Soju tells the tale of a heroic man who clings to a childhood dream, bridging the past and present amidst challenging geographies and lives. It portrays the struggles of those who burn themselves and their surroundings while fiercely protecting their roots. The narrative explores the love for children, impossible romances, and the resilience of those who have teetered on the edge of death. It is a story of honor and survival, where dreams persist despite adversity. With a focus on the enduring spirit and the complexities of human connections, Serif Soju encapsulates the essence of life's most profound challenges and triumphs. According to me, this series has a breathtaking storylines, stellar acting, and stunning filming locations. Despite its promising start, the abrupt ending after just 4 episodes leaves many plotlines unresolved, disappointing many viewers, but overall, the series' unique blend of drama, action, and romance deserves a proper continuation to fulfill its potential. Number 5. Azize. Azize follows Melek Gunai, a young nurse whose life is shattered when her father, a respected ship captain, is murdered by the ruthless Alpan mafia family. After her father's death and her mother's subsequent mental breakdown, Melek, now under the new identity of Azize, seeks revenge. She infiltrates the Alpan family with a plan to destroy them from within. Years later, as Azize starts working as a nurse at a state hospital, she is forced back into the Alpan household after a failed assassination attempt on Balkan Alpan, which leaves Kartal, Iskender Alpan's son, critically injured. Azize saves Kartal's life and becomes his nurse, which complicates her revenge plan as she begins to fall in love with him. Azize stands out as an exceptional Turkish drama with a gripping plot and remarkable performances, particularly from Hande Erçel and Burak Gülsoy. Despite its promising start, the show faced an abrupt cancellation after only 6 episodes due to disappointing ratings and sponsorship issues, leaving fans frustrated and craving more. The series combines mystery, romance, and drama, showcasing a compelling narrative of revenge and forbidden love. Its abrupt end left many viewers longing for closure, as the story was cut short just as it began to delve deeper into its complex characters and plot twists. The show's powerful chemistry between the leads and its high production quality highlighted its potential for greater success, possibly even on a global platform like Netflix. The passionate response from the fanbase underscores the show's impact and the deep disappointment over its premature cancellation. Number 6. Bir Annenin Gunahi. This series follows Suna, a single mother of 3 children, struggling to make ends meet after her husband's death. She runs a fish shop to support her family and pay off a housing loan. Her eldest son, Yusuf, a law student, learns he needs urgent heart surgery. Desperate for money, Suna agrees to a grim deal with Sadri, a bankrupt company owner. Sadri offers her money in exchange for his murder to secure his daughter's future. In a tragic turn, Suna accidentally kills Sadri and takes the money, beginning a life of guilt and struggle. The love between Yusuf and Yamur, Sadri's daughter, faces a severe test as they grapple with Suna's dark secret. Before we continue, I'd like to humbly request that you please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and motivates us to work even harder. Thank you. Number 7. İzinizdeki Ateş. The series revolves around 4 determined and accomplished young lawyers, Mert, Bahar, Hale, and Ege, who embark on their professional journey under the mentorship of renowned lawyer Don Yena and his wife, Tulin Tan. Graduates from the Faculty of Law, they secure coveted internship positions, with the condition that they must navigate the challenges without getting into trouble. The narrative unfolds as these ambitious individuals confront various obstacles, testing their resilience and ambition in their pursuit of success and personal fulfillment within the demanding world of law. Number 8. Altın Kafes. Altın Kafes is a new Turkish series, released in December 2023. The series explores the life of a teacher, named Zeynep, who is indebted to the wealthy Beyoğlu family for her sister's scholarship, becomes entangled in a web of secrets when she saves Onur, the family heir, from an assassination attempt, leading to an unexpected marriage. However, as Zeynep discovers hidden truths about Onur and his family, their love is tested in a seemingly perfect but complex household. The story unfolds with the couple navigating a golden cage of past pains, forcing them to confront the deceptive facades surrounding the Beyoğlu family. Number 9. Arak. Arak series revolves around Zeynep and Kara, whose worlds collide after a tragic night. Zeynep, an ardent lover of plants and daughter of a prominent economist, meets Kara, a reclusive figure with a vow to protect children from the shadows. As their contrasting lives intertwine, an unforeseen love blossoms. Against the backdrop of a monumental heist, secrets unravel, exposing a poignant truth that challenges their love and forces them to confront the haunting echoes of the past. The series masterfully blends romance, mystery, and a quest for truth into a spellbinding tapestry of emotions. Number 10. Kader Baglari. Kerem, a successful heir to a prominent winemaking family, and Sevda, a law student, share a captivating encounter at Kerem family's Montenegro vineyard. This meeting leads to an agreement to meet again a year later. However, destiny takes an unexpected turn, reuniting them in Istanbul, where Sevda works as a maid in Kerem's affluent family's household. The stark contrast in their social backgrounds creates conflict, but their undeniable love persists. Despite Kerem's family's disapproval, they are determined to surmount their class differences, embarking on a journey to live their love without limitations. According to me, Kader Baglari impresses me with its undeniable chemistry between Ayça Ayşin and Serkan Çayoglu, as well as its picturesque locations. While the storyline appears somewhat familiar, it promises a compelling love story and engaging drama ahead. With its talented cast and intriguing narrative, this Turkish series has captivated many viewers, including myself, and has the potential to become a beloved favorite. Number 11. Black Pearl. In Black Pearl, a waitress with dreams of marrying her fisherman lover Kenan faces upheaval when Veril, haunted by his wife's death, fixates on Hajal. To protect Kenan, Hajal sacrifices their love and agrees to marry Veril. As the tangled web of secrets unravels, Kenan seeks revenge, while Hajal navigates Veril's troubled past, questioning her own choices and struggling to find true love amidst adversity. Its captivating plot filled with twists and turns, engaging romance, and a well-portrayed cast, makes it a must-watch. While Hande Erçel's performance as Hajal is particularly praisable for its depth and range, keeping viewers hooked to the screen. The chemistry between the characters, especially Hajal and Kenan, adds to the appeal of the show, making it worth a watch for fans of romantic dramas. Number 12. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 13. Kadi. Kadna is a gripping and emotional series that beautifully portrays the strength of a mother fighting for her children. It follows the journey of Bahar, a resilient young widow raising her two children, Nisan and Doruk, after the tragic death of her husband, Saap. Bahar, abandoned by her mother Hatije at the age of 8, has faced life's hardships alone. Despite her struggles, she manages to transform poverty into a joyful game for her children, finding strength in the memories of her late husband. Bahar's deep love for Saap keeps her going, though it also prevents her from opening her heart to new relationships. When Hatije reappears after 20 years, Bahar is forced to confront her painful past. However, their reunion is complicated by Bahar's half-sister Shireen, who does everything in her power to keep them apart. Hatije, torn between her two daughters, turns her back on Bahar to protect Shireen, leaving Bahar to rely on the support of her stepfather Enver and her close friend Yeliz. As Bahar navigates these emotional challenges, the series also explores the lives of other women around her. Hattis struggles with guilt over abandoning her child, Yeliz searches for love and stability, Jale chooses her career over motherhood, and Julaidi falls victim to her own beauty. Through it all, Bahar's story of survival, love, and sacrifice shines as she faces the harsh realities of life while finding the strength to keep moving forward. According to me, the most highlighting thing about this series is its acting, especially from Bahar and the child actors, is outstanding, making the story relatable and heartfelt. However, the series tends to over-exaggerate and drag out certain plot lines, particularly in the later seasons, which diminishes the overall impact. While the first season is highly engaging, the subsequent seasons struggle to maintain the same level of interest, leading to mixed feelings. Despite these flaws, the show remains a powerful exploration of love, sacrifice, and survival. Number 14. Jamdaki Kiss. Jamdaki Kiss follows Nalan, who is raised by her controlling grandmother Firaide, and lives a sheltered life without love or freedom. Working at Koroglu Company, she meets Siddharth, the heir to the Koroglu family empire, who is entangled in a forbidden affair. Siddharth, pressured by his father Rafet to marry, sees Nalan as the perfect bride despite his ongoing affair. Nalan, unaware of Siddharth's double life, believes she's found her fairy tale love. As their worlds collide, secrets and conflicts arise, testing their desires and loyalties within the intricate web of family expectations and personal desires. Even though this series has a slow pace and occasional unbelievable moments, still the series offers a unique exploration of complex characters and societal issues, leaving viewers contemplating the complexities of human nature long after the final episode. Number 15. Bahar. Bahar, a helpful young woman, starts a vocational training course in Demir's neighborhood, where they clash but soon develop a bond. Demir saves Bahar from a fire, leading to their growing affinity. Aysun, in love with Demir, marries and kills Harun as part of a revenge plot. Bahar overhears Aysun's confession and suffers memory loss in a car accident orchestrated by Aysun. Aysun, fearing Bahar's recovery, mistreats her, while unaware Demir loves Bahar. Despite their love, Demir and Bahar face turmoil as Aysun's schemes unravel, revealing tangled connections and secrets. So, that's a wrap on today's video, friends. I hope you found some new Turkish series to add to your watch list. If you're eager to discover even more incredible shows like these, make sure to click here for more.